Hello, everyone. Have a nice day. Welcome to my DY Top 1 channel. In this video, I'll show you one way to make a very simple antenna at home. Let's get started. Take time to understand each step. If you're having trouble with anything, let me know in the comments, and I'll help you. What country are you from? Leave me a comment. It's amazing when I can talk to people from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, you can click the sign up button. I'm glad to see your support. Let's make 3 holes on a CD. Did not use. Cut out the excess outside. Then we use 3 keys that your house doesn't use. Put the key in the hole you just left. Created on CD. Do that again with the other 2. We prepared a long copper wire like this. Wrap around into the nail. That's the 3-way situation. Prepare to add a spark plug. Glue gun. To fix the spark plug inside. CD. Next, let's use it. Wire to connect the antenna to the television. We'll also remove the outer layer. Use the copper core part inside. Watch the step carefully to avoid making a mistake. Use insulating adhesive tape. Wrap it tight. Use a glue gun to fix it in place. The top of the bottle into the CD. And fix to add to the wooden body at the bottom. To make it more certain, let's start the experiment. This TV has no radio. Now, let's plug this antenna into the television. The TV is up. Let's find more channels. How many points do you give this little trick? Let me know under the comments section. Thank you for watching the entire video. If you find it helpful, click like and subscribe to a channel to support me. Let everyone know about this trick. I wish you success.